welcome back again to my channel. My name is Abby. So in today's video we'll be doing henna, that lolly thing they do on the hand and on the legs. Yeah, so I'll be taking you guys along to get it done. This is my outfit for today. Simple, just my face cap from Pretty Little Thing, my top from Old Navy, this is from H&M, and my, what's this called? Is this slippers? Yeah, this is from Nike, obviously. Yeah, so oh, my slides from Nike, then my ring from Nike. Anyone? Okay, it's from Pretty Little Thing. Bracelet, Daniel Wellington. My earrings, I got it years ago in Ghana, one market like that in Ghana. Anyways, yeah, so I'll be going to the henna place. The name of the place is called henna, I think henna place or something. Anyways, they do like sugar, body wax and stuff, but I'll just be getting henna for today. So yeah, here's the outfit. Simple. So let's go. And you're doing promotion on the video today?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Abiola. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye.
Bye. I just got to the henna place and I just parked my car, and I'll be going inside to start. Like, it takes I've done it before. I tried filming it, but I forgot to take a picture for the thumbnail. That's why I'm doing it again. That's if I actually really want to do it. Yes, I'll be showing you guys the process and everything. I'll tell you the amount, and yeah, so let's go. So usually when it's dry, it peels off like that. Ain't it already peeling off? You see? So they'll peel it off or use something to clean the excess. And you can go with it. Let me show you. Peel off all that. And the first time I did it, it took about 3 hours, but I think maybe they changed the formula for this because it's really dry. I don't think it's been up to 1 hour and it's already almost dry. So I'm happy about that. Maybe I'll start doing it often. I didn't think I was going to do it again because it took a long time the last time. Anyways, I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done.
So now she's just taking out the dry part, the excess. I mean this one. Okay. This one is dry. Okay.
So this piece is dried already. We're just waiting for this part. I think they are thicker than this one, that's why. But it's looking pretty. Excuse my broken nails. Pretty. And it lasts for like 2 weeks. That's if you don't put your hand into water too much. So this is what it looks like when it's dry. You can easily peel it off. Then you wash your hands to completely take out the excess thingy from it. My second hand isn't completely totally dry, so I still have to wait a little bit. So when you want to do this henna thing, you have to be patient, very patient. Let it dry so it doesn't smudge. So I already smudged part of it, as you can see. Look at here, I smudged it already. So you have to just sit tight and not move too much. See? So I don't want you to peel it. Wow, this is nice.
Thank you.
That like oil? Like that.
Yes, we have oil there, have soap and face sponge as well. So it depends if you want to do it section by section.
Okay.
So that's the proportion.
Okay. Cocoa lotion.
Yes, for the body.
Okay, cocoa lotion for the body. This one is
Rose water.
rose water.
We have the palm kernel oil.
And kernel oil.
The shea oil.
Shea oil for hair and body.
Yes, coconut.
Coconut oil for hair and body as well.
And that's the neem oil.
The what?
Neem oil.
Neem oil. What's it for?
It's for hair and body as well. It helps to smoothen rough
Skin.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the baobab soap.
This is baobab soap. And what's this? Black soap.
Yes.
Body wash.
Body wash. African soap.
African black soap.
Hibiscus soap.
Hibiscus soap.
Konjac sponge.
Oh, konjac sponge.
For the face.
Okay, and these are for the face.
And that's the halawa wax.
Okay. So, how much are these ones?
1,000.
What was it for?
We have different flavors.
The one they fix that day, something.
But they're all 5.
Yes, 5. On this, the stick incense is 1,500 naira.
How do I use that one? I'll light it.
Yes, you light it and then put it on something sharp. Stick. Yes.
Okay.
We have this also. 7,500.
So how do I use it?
You burn it too.
Oh,
Put it
okay.
on the charcoal.
I'm burning.
Yes, ma'am.
It smells good. Is it just this flavor you have for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh god, it smells so good. And they also have waist beads as well for sale. So nice. What do you use this for?
For the incense.
Oh, okay. So these are clay pots for incense. You put them in. And they come in different sizes. This is the biggest, medium, and they have smaller ones here. Get this. It's coconut oil. This is what I use for my skin all the time. I mix it with vitamin E oil and the black castor oil or something. Yes, I mix all that together, and this is pure coconut oil. Like, it's so good. So I mix it together and use it for my skin and sometimes for my hair. So yeah, I'm done with today's video. Let me know if you like videos like this so I can keep making them for you guys. Yeah, so this henna, the name of the place is called the Henna place, and they really do really good henna. Like, look at this. This is so good. And this is the second hand. It's so good. But when you do things like this, you need to be extremely patient, because if you move too much after they're done, you have to wait for it to get dry. So when you move too much, it tends to smudge and you wouldn't like it. The first time I did it, I learned from that because I really messed it up. So yeah, that's what it looks like. You just have to be patient and let it dry and you will love it. Some people react to it, but I didn't have issues with it the first time I did it. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave your comments down below. I'll see you in another video. Bye.